The state government has called on Malaysia Airports Holdings Berhad MAHB to solve flash floods at the Penang International Airport PIA. Penang Chief Minister Chow Kun Yeow made this call in reference to the flooding at the airport terminal.
Saya berharap di antara JPS dan pengurusan lapangan terbang memang pada masa yang dahulu pun sudah ambil tindakan membina satu on-site detention pond di bawah kawasan arrival itu. Tetapi mungkin seperti mana-mana kemudahan ada hadnya, kapasiti dia, maka mungkin usaha yang lain perlu diambil di dalam lapangan terbang sendirilah.
It was reported that the water rose up to ankle level following a downpour at Bayan Lepas area from about 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. this morning. Photographs of the flooding went viral on social media earlier today. The meteorology department recorded a total of rainfall of 48.8 millimeter, which resulted in the flood. Meanwhile, PIA Senior Manager Muhammad Nazim Hashim said the drainage and on-site detection OSD tanks in PIA were functioning well during the downpour. He said that there was no serious delay caused by the flooding and the water receded after the rain stopped.